You can't think your way to a better bank account. You're not broke because the universe hasn't aligned. You're broke because you haven't moved. You journal, you visualize, you light your manifestation candle. Cool. But while you're raising your frequency, someone else is raising their rates. They're learning, building, selling. You're sitting in your feelings, hoping the money just appears. Spoiler, it won't. You don't need another affirmation. You need a funding action plan. All that abundance mindset means nothing. If you're still spending like a clown and calling it self-care, the universe isn't the problem. Your habits are? You scroll past opportunities because they don't feel aligned. Guess what else doesn't feel aligned? Being 35, broke, and blaming Mercury retrograde for your bad decisions. Stop blaming the stars. Start blaming your comfort zone. Manifestation isn't magic, it's momentum. Write the vision, sure, but move your damn feet. Take the course. Pitch the client. Fix your budget, sell your junk. Do one small thing today that your future self would actually thank you for. That's real manifestation. You can keep vibing or you can start building. One leads to progress. The other leads to Pinterest quotes and an overdraft fee. Your choice. But don't complain when your dream life ghosted you. You never showed up to meet it.